What's up, y'all? Welcome to another video. I'm gonna get a nice little cold start to start it off real quick. Wow. That is very loud. But anyways, welcome to a new video. I'm gonna go head over to the gym, get some, driving videos for you guys, and that's about it. I just remembered I need to get Brandon his lasagna. There's your lasagna, Brandon. Hold it. This car is very loud. I had to get Brandon's lasagna because he left it at work and he asked me to get it, and then I forgot to bring it to him the next day. So here we are the day after, and I'm bringing him his lasagna. You're welcome, Brandon. Well, just starting off the day, I had a couple questions. I mean, Brandon and I are still looking for more video, not really looking for video ideas, but we kind of just want to know what you guys like, because we don't want to just put up videos you guys don't want to watch, obviously. So, we have a few different plans. Some of the videos are going to be like this, where we're talking to a camera. But, if you have any other ideas, drop it in the comments, because we're down to do almost whatever.
What do you mean by that?
Whatever you guys want to see, we'll do, because that's how we're going to have our channel. Whatever you guys want to see, we'll post it. Whenever we want to post something, we'll put it up. So just let us know in the comments what you want us to do. But it'll be a lot of like POV driving, just a lot of just random videos, random car videos. Let me know if you guys like that view. I kind of lowered my seat a bit. It's gonna be a little weird though, because my windows are so dark. And if I open it, there's gonna be wind noise. But I mean, this is kind of gonna be the setup. Maybe I'll try to figure out a way to mount my GoPro behind me, but I'm kind of gutted, so I don't really have a place I could put the GoPro. But whatever. If you guys have any suggestions where I can mount the GoPro other than my forehead, let me know, because I'm actually down to try different things.
What do you mean by that?
I am pretty hyped though. I got the GoPro Max. That's that 360 GoPro. And I've now we can post videos with like showing, it almost looks like a video game. It's pretty cool. It's like, it'll kind of go behind my car, but with like a suction cup and a selfie stick, and then the camera on the end of it, and it turns into like a 360 video. So I could show all around. I could show what's behind me, I could show what's in front of me, I could show random driving, I could show races, all that stuff. So it's actually pretty cool. I was doing some test runs with it yesterday. And then I went to get some cookies. I went to get food with my boys at Denny's, and I used it for, some random recording. It actually looked really cool. So I'm pretty excited to use that from now on, for like either race videos or just random driving videos, so I can have like another view. I also do want to try to set this GoPro up somewhere maybe facing me. I don't know if you guys want to see that. I don't know if you want to see me, I doubt it, but if you do, let us know. We can try to figure out a different way, because we both have two GoPros. Brandon has my old GoPro 4, and then he bought a GoPro Hero 10, and then I have this GoPro Hero 8, and I bought the GoPro Max. So, let us know if you want, like, what angles you want, because, we'll do whatever. But I'll be going to the gym soon, and let's see what Brandon's doing. Guys, what is up? So today, right now, I'm going to the gym. Should be doing some chest and some tries. I'm just gonna give you guys a quick little cold start of my car.
a hot day. I normally would have my windows down, but not today. It's too hot out. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do, I have to get some gas. Gonna go to BJ's. It's pretty close to my house. And then we'll go to the gym. We should be meeting Andrew today. I think he's hitting chest as well with me. In the comment section below, guys, let me know if you guys go to the gym. Yesterday was leg day for me. Had a fire leg day. So the gas station is around like 5 minutes from my house. So hopefully there's not a long line. Usually there's a pretty long line at BJ's for whatever reason. And since we're on the topic of gas, I know we all, you know, with gas prices nowadays, I remember it used to be, what, $2.40 for premium at BJ's, which was really cheap at the time. This car used to take about like $35, maybe 40 max to fill up. Now I'm up to like basically $70 to fill up for this thing. So I'm back, just got some gas. Took $62 to fill up, which is not that bad compared to what it used to be. Usually it's like 70 bucks. Right here it was $4.75, which is pretty cheap compared to how much it's been for the past couple months now. Is what do I do during the day? So I actually go to school for automotive. I'm trying to become a mechanic at the moment. That's where I met Andrew. So I want to be able to open my own shop one day, hopefully in suspension. That's kind of my strong suit. I love doing suspension work, whether it's coilovers or control arms, camber arms. I love doing that type of stuff. Doing alignments. I like working on lowered cars. That's kind of what I want to specialize in, is lowered cars. So what are my future plans for this car? My future plans for this car is I actually want to go big turbo for this thing. I want to go on methanol injection as well. So what I want to do is I want to get a aftermarket intake manifold. I need a 3.5 bar map sensor. I need a 3-port boost controller, a towel wastegate, and I might sell my HKS blow valve to go to a towel blow valve, so I can have both the towel wastegate and the blow valve, because they both sound amazing in their own different ways. I want to get a CB exhaust manifold as well to match the rest of my exhaust setup, and I want to go with the GTX 3076R turbo. We're actually at the gym. When I pull in, I hope to see Andrew is here, and yes, he is here, so I don't have to wait on him. So this should be a good gym day as well. I hope you guys like this type of content, this video. As I said, please let me know in the comment section down below. Also follow our socials. My Instagram is speed3.brando, and my TikTok is that's Brando, and Andrew's is 561Drew on TikTok and on Instagram.